Hey everyone, and welcome back to StartSpeak English. I'm Anna.
And I'm Mike. So happy you're here with us today.
If you're learning English and you want to sound more natural in everyday conversations, you are in the right place.
That's right. Today we have something really useful for you. We're going to teach you 10 everyday English phrases that real people use all the time.
These are phrases you can use at work, at school, with friends, or even at the coffee shop. Simple, practical, and super easy to remember.
Let's jump right in.
Anna. Okay, phrase number 1. How's it going? This is a friendly, casual way to say, how are you? You use it when you see someone you know.
For example, you walk into your office and you see your colleague. You say, "Hey, Sarah, how's it going?" And she says, "Pretty good, thanks. You?"
Simple, right? It's a great way to start a conversation. Much more natural than just saying hello and walking away.
Phrase number 2. I'll be right back. This means you're leaving for a short time, but coming back soon.
So imagine you're having lunch with a friend and you need to go to the bathroom. You say, "Sorry, I'll be right back." Your friend understands you're coming back in a minute.
Very useful. Okay, phrase 3. What do you mean? This is what you say when you don't understand something and you want the other person to explain.
Like your teacher says something and you're confused. You ask, "Sorry, what do you mean?" It's polite and clear. Much better than just staying quiet when you're lost.
Phrase 4. Could you say that again, please? This is perfect for English learners. When someone speaks too fast or you miss a word, just say this.
And don't be embarrassed. Native speakers use this too. Everyone asks for things to be repeated sometimes. It's completely normal.
Great point. Phrase 5. I'm not sure, but I think. This is how you share an opinion when you're not 100% certain.
For example, someone asks, "What time does the store close?" And you say, "I'm not sure, but I think it closes at 9. You're being honest and helpful at the same time.
I love that one. Okay, phrase 6. That sounds great. This is a positive, enthusiastic way to agree with someone's idea or plan.
Anna, so your friend says, "Let's go for a walk after dinner." You say, "That sounds great." It's friendly, warm, and shows you're happy about the idea.
Phrase 7. Let me think about it. This is what you say when someone asks you a question or makes a suggestion, and you need a little time before you answer.
It's a polite way to say, "I'm not ready to answer right now." For example, your boss asks, "Can you work this Saturday?" And you say, "Let me think about it, and I'll let you know tomorrow."
Very professional. Phrase 8. I'll take care of it. This means you're going to handle something or solve a problem.
Like someone says, "The printer is broken again." And you say, "Don't worry, I'll take care of it." It shows responsibility and confidence. Phrase 9. Never mind. This is what you say when something is no longer important or when you decide not to continue what you were saying.
Anna. Imagine you start to ask a question, but then find the answer yourself. You say, "Hey, Mike, do you know where—" "Oh, never mind, I found it." Super handy in daily conversation.
And phrase 10.
I can't wait. This shows excitement about something in the future. For example, your friend says, "We're going to the beach this weekend." And you say, "Oh, I can't wait." It's fun, energetic, and people love hearing it.
Those are all 10 phrases. Let's do a quick review. We learned, how's it going? I'll be right back. What do you mean? Could you say that again, please? I'm not sure, but I think. That sounds great. Let me think about it. I'll take care of it. Never mind, and I can't wait.
Say them out loud right now. Seriously, pause the video and repeat them. Speaking out loud is one of the fastest ways to remember new phrases.
And our learning tip for today? Don't try to use all 10 phrases in one day. Pick 2 or 3 and try to use them in real conversations this week.
The more you practice, the more natural it feels. You're not just memorizing words, you're building real confidence.
Mike, we're so proud of you for being here and learning with us today. every step you take brings you closer to speaking English fluently.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment telling us which phrase is your favorite, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new lesson.
Mike, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and remember, this is StartSpeak English, and we're here every step of the way. See you soon!